Are you tired of the daily grind? Waking up early, commuting to work, sitting in an office all day, only to come home exhausted and with barely enough energy to enjoy the rest of your day? I know I was, but a few years ago, I stumbled upon something that changed my life forever. If you feel stuck in your 9 to 5 job and want to learn about other ways to make money online, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about the easiest way to make money online, that's affiliate marketing. What's up everyone? My name is Iza and welcome to my channel Digi Marketing with Iza. This is the place to be if you're looking for tips, tricks and education on affiliate marketing. I started this journey a few years back with zero digital skills, but with hard work, dedication and a passion for learning, I was able to master affiliate marketing and make a full-time income online, and now I want to help you do the same. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing and why is it the easiest way to make money online? In simple terms, it's a type of online marketing where you promote someone else's products or services, and when someone buys through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's the easiest way to make money online, and you don't need any products, inventory, or customer service skills. It is a performance-based marketing model where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale or action made through your unique affiliate link. It is a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product owner, as the affiliate marketer earns a commission and the product owner gets more exposure and sales. Believe it or not, affiliate marketing has been around for a long time. The concept dates back to the late 1980s when Amazon started using affiliate links to drive sales. But it wasn't until the rise of the internet that affiliate marketing really took off. Now, it's a billion-dollar industry that's accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. It has become increasingly popular in recent years due to the rise of e-commerce and social media. You can promote products in any niche or industry, from fashion to health and wellness to technology. There are different types of affiliate marketing, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The most common types are pay per sale. You earn a commission when someone purchases a product through your affiliate link. Pay per click. You earn a commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link. Pay per lead. You earn a commission when someone completes a specific action, such as filling out a form or signing up for a free trial. It's important to choose the right type of affiliate marketing based on your niche and target audience. For example, if you have a blog about health and wellness, pay per sale might be the best option, as you can recommend products that you have used and trust. So why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, for starters, it's an easy and low-risk way to start your own online business. You don't need a lot of money to get started, and you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or even customer service. Plus, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, set your own schedule, and choose the products you want to promote. The major advantages are flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world at any time as long as you have an internet connection. Low startup costs. You don't need to create your own product or service, which saves you time and money. Passive income. Once you set up your affiliate links, you can earn passive income for months or even years to come. Unlimited earning potential. There's no limit to how much you can earn, as it depends on the products you promote and the effort you put in. So that's a brief introduction to affiliate marketing. I hope this video has helped you understand what it's all about and why it's such an exciting opportunity. In my next video, I'll be covering different terminologies used in digital marketing and affiliate marketing. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified as soon as the next video is released. And if you still have doubts or questions about affiliate marketing, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. And don't forget, if you're ready to get started, there's a link below to a free masterclass on affiliate marketing that I highly recommend checking out. And lastly, Head over to my short section to learn about various secret websites and tools that you never knew existed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.